Here we have some Trane air conditioners at rest stop that are currently running. This one is their heat. This one's a heat pump. The model number is TWA060C300A0. Serial number is G492715350. It was made in 1992. And now this one is also a 1992 unit. The model number is TWA060C300A0. Serial number is G492715349. They're both currently running, and they're at a rest stop near Clanton, I think it is, Alabama, on I-65. So yeah, some Trane heat pumps that are currently running in cool mode. Over, some 1992 Trane heat pumps that are currently running in cool mode. Over and out.